day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Tuesday, January 8th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room we had 4 trades, 4 winning trades, and we are going to go over them again in no particular time order from left to right. First trade we had was in the ES. We got short. Some of us, we were in as high as 71 quarter, between 71 quarter, and that trade went down to 68. So up to 3 points on the trade. I did tell everybody before we took the trade 68 was going to be a tough level initially. So we weren't expecting a bunch right away, and that's what we got. It was a nice trade. Came back up, came back down. We actually almost got in right around here, but we didn't get our price. I was waiting for it to come up, not exactly there, but whatever the price was, we didn't get it. I was waiting, looking for it to come up a little bit higher. I said that it would come down further, had lower targets, but we have to be able to get in and stay in within our risk parameters. You can't, just because we're getting bigger candles, we can't start really expanding our risk. So at least not in a call room, because you got to really know what you're doing if you play that game. But we don't need to do that. So that was that trade there. And then in the NQ, we had 3 cool trades. We had a death candle trade that was at 80.50. Trade went down. That was on the 942 candle. Trade went down almost 50 ticks, pretty much straight down right after we got in. That was a cool trade there. Trade of the day was short 96.50. In the NASDAQ, that was on the 1045 candle. Again, it went straight down, no heat. When the trade got down into this area here, right after this candle closed, I told everybody that we are either getting out at the circle or when the candle closes. I said this is going to be, it could go lower, but I said if it does go lower, it might come up first and go lower later, or it could be the low of the day. This was going to be our first potentially, troubling area. So I said, I don't care how many runners you got left, what you got out of the trade, and that's exactly where we got out. And you'll see it went up straight from there. That was a beautiful, it was a really nice trade. And then at the end of the day, we took a ZL. This was an understanding trade. We took a ZL at 26.50 right here, and you'll see that went down almost 40 ticks. In fact, it did go down 40 ticks, and that was, we just closed it up. That was right when we were closing the room. And we close it up after that. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, everybody have a great day, and we'll see everybody back mañana.